We keep our promise to provide a great tasting, healthy, affordable and quality product to our customer around the world. We set standard in everything we do, no matter from sanitation standard, R&D or production, to fresh and frozen products. We are LKT Food Industries. We're an international company with high standard vision. We deliver good service to our customer. We keep our promise with action.
Our company has established matured and modern processing procedure with high efficiencies and hygiene working conditions. We aim to provide a fresh pastry, ice cream, frozen seafood and others to enjoy every customers to enjoy our product without having to worry about the food safety. It's worth mentioning that durian is a secret weapon that LKT had been working hard on it the past few years. D24, red prawn and musang king are our favorites. Different types of durian can bring different kinds of experience. We hope we can lead the durian market in the near future. Promise and make sure that our customers can always enjoy this exclusive tropical taste.
Thanks to our nature, supply us good ingredients and keeping all effort from production team, getting the best premium ingredients.
LKT utilized the superior geographic locations at the southern part of Malaysia, Johor Bahru. We set up a platform for communications and trading to fulfill the demands from domestics and overseas customers precisely.
And we also invested a large refrigeration area to keep our products fresh, and well-managed system to maximize the efficiency of delivering time to the world. We are LKT Food Industries.